In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use placeholders in Freshsales emails. Placeholders are a simple way to personalize your emails automatically. Instead of typing a person's name or other details by hand each time, you insert a placeholder code. When the email is sent, Freshsales replaces that code with the correct information from the record, like the contact's first name or the assigned user's name. This helps you stay consistent, save time, and reduce typing mistakes. To begin, open the email composer in Freshsales and place your cursor exactly where you want the personalized information to appear. It can be in the greeting, in the first sentence, or anywhere in the message body. Next, look at the formatting toolbar in the middle of the composer. Find the placeholders icon. It is labeled with curly braces, like this. Click that icon to open the placeholder options. Once the placeholder menu is open, choose a category. This category is the module you want to pull data from. Common options include lead, contact, or user. Select the one that matches the kind of information you need. For example, if you want the recipient's details, you will usually choose contact. If you want information about the team member sending or owning the record, you might choose user. After you select the category, choose the field you want to insert. Fields are specific pieces of data, like first name. Click the field you need, and Freshsales will insert a placeholder code right where your cursor is positioned. You will see a format similar to double curly braces with the module and field name inside. Leave that code exactly as it appears so the system can replace it correctly when the email goes out. A helpful tip is to double-check your cursor placement before inserting, especially if you are adding placeholders in the middle of a sentence. Also, make sure you select the correct category, because the same field name can exist in different modules and may pull different data. Once the placeholder is inserted, continue writing your email as usual, and you can repeat the same process to add more placeholders anywhere you need. And that is all there is to it.